rental property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. What we have on offer here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, top floor unit at the rear of the building. As we use our office drone, we pause the video here and we can see the position of the unit. There it is, there it's circled, right at the back, top floor unit. It's a nice quiet position of the building. As we step inside the unit's been updated with timber look floors, new paint and new window coverings. Going out on the balcony, you've got ocean views, and the balcony is quite a good size for a table and chairs, also a barbecue. Going back inside, we go to the kitchen, plenty of cupboards and drawers, wall oven and ceramic cooktop. Going through to the bedrooms, main bedroom has windows on 2 sides, his and hers wardrobes, bathroom with bath, separate shower. Second bedroom is at the rear of the property and main bathroom siege and laundry is combined. Under the building there's a single lock-up garage, communal clotheslines as well. Here once again we show you the position of the unit in the building. Diagonally opposite is the Kingscliff Beach Bowls Club, and approximately 200 metres down the road is the Kingscliff CBD. So great central location here, and it's opposite the beach. And our last video is of the Waratah building and its position to the beach and the Bowls Club. If you'd like more information on viewing this property, then please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au for viewing times, or for more photos, visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.